Hi, my name's Emily and I'm a senior accountant here at RSM. I'm also one of our accountants working in our digital space. So STP, Single Touch Payroll, is kind of like been my bread and butter for the last year or so. So STP, or Single Touch Payroll, has become a bit of a hot topic right now because a lot of you are coming up to your first finalisation. Single Touch Payroll is replacing the way that we report to the ATO and to our employees about their wages, pay-as-you-go, tax withholding and superannuation. So the reason that we're talking about STP right now is because we're coming up fast to our deadlines for finalisation. If you've been on STP for a couple of years now as an employer with over 20 employees, then your deadline will be the 14th of July. If you've only just started on STP, you have 19 or less employees and started reporting from the 1st of July last year, your date will be the 31st of July. If you employ family members, mum and dad, kids, grandparents, closely held employees, and you have more than 20 other employees, then you might have a concessional date for those closely held employees of 30th of September. That also applies if you've been voluntarily reporting those employees, even if you have 19 employees or less. So broadly, we have 5 different scenarios for our clients when it comes to STP. Either, firstly, you're already on cloud accounting system that has payroll solution integrated into it. These are some of your big players like Xero, Mile, QuickBooks that directly connect to the ATO and do your STP lodgement for you. Within them, there will be a finalisation process for you to complete your reporting for the 2020 financial year. Alternatively, you may be on a payroll-only solution. This is software such as KeyPay or Deputy. You've been lodging your STP through the year as you do your pay runs, and finalisation will be available through those software solutions as well. On the other hand, you could have a cloud accounting solution or a payroll solution, but it's not connected to the ATO just yet. No need to worry. It's pretty easy to fix up. You just have to give the ATO a call and let them know your software ID. If you run into a bit of trouble though, that's where we can come in handy. Just give your accountant a call and we'll set this up for you. In another scenario, you may not be on an online platform and doing your accounts through spreadsheets. In that case, you might have asked us to do your STP reporting for you manually on a quarterly basis. In this scenario, we just ask that you pass on your annual figures so that your RSM accountant can do your finalisation for you. And finally, you're just not set up at all. STP has totally slipped your mind all year and now you're going, oh great, what do I do now? The answer's pretty simple. It's never too late to set up with STP and we can help there. So just give your accountant a call and we'll get you set up with Single Touch Payroll and get your finalisations done for 2020. So what do you need to do now? Just keep your deadlines in mind. Depending on your circumstances, it could be the 14th of July, the 31st, or as far as September. If you run into any trouble, that's where we're here to help. Just contact your local RSM advisor today.